Good morning, students of class 3. Today we have come back to our GK class. We have completed our syllabus for first term. So we have to revise the lessons nicely. And I have given you some question answers from these chapters you have to learn. And most probably end of August or beginning of the month of September, your GK exam will be taken. Okay, so make yourself prepare for the test. I am not going to discuss from our book. I am trying to say something from the outside. You know, Olympic Games has been started. Yes, from this month of July. So you have to remember the date of opening date and the opening date for the Olympic. Generally, Olympic is held on the even year. Yes, today this year is 2021. So it was told to it was late Olympic. The year was supposed to start on 2020, but due to Corona, the whole world is facing some pandemic situation, and so the effect is on also Olympic Games. So it was started. It is going to held late. So you have to learn the exact date, and you have to follow the persons who are getting medal on different events. If any person got medal from India, you have to note it down. Question may come from there. Yes. So I am going to say something about Olympic. The biggest sports competition on earth is the Olympic Games. Hercules was the founder of the Olympics. It was held to celebrate the worship of the Greek god Zeus. First, it was held in Greece and is named after the place Olympia, where there was a temple of Greek god Zeus. Marathon race was the only event in the first Olympics. Now it is held every 4 years, generally leap year. Do you know what is called leap year? Leap year is the year whose number is absolutely divisible by 4. In different countries of the world, take part in these games. Every Olympiad has a new mascot. So you have to learn the mascot of 2021 Olympic Games. I will ask you the question. So please note down each and every points from these Olympic Games. Okay? It is your duty. You are senior enough to collect the points from Olympic Games. You will get. You can watch from television or get the information from our newspaper. Okay. It was resumed after a gap of 100 years in 1896. So these are simple information about Olympic Games. You have to remember this for your sake, and you have to collect the information for your examinations. Okay? So be careful and try to get the note on these Olympic Games. Yes, Olympic flag was created by Pierre de Coubertin in 1913. Note it down. Yes. Now I am coming for the Indians from our book. Name some Indian sportsperson who had won medals at the Olympics. Leander Paes in 1996 for tennis, Avina Brinda in 2008 for shooting, Sushil Kumar in 2012 for wrestling, Mary Kom in 2012 for boxing, Saina Nehwal in 2012 for badminton. So you have to learn this and you have to collect the information for this Olympic, which is now going on. And from the last chapter for the first term, which is the world's fastest land animal? Answer is cheetah. Yes, it is very interesting. The cheetah cannot growl. Yes, its sound is. Cheetahs are the world's fastest land animal. They are found in Africa. Cheetah have black spot on their golden or yellowish bodies. The spots help cheetahs to hide easily in tall grass. Cheetahs cannot roar. They chirp, growl, hiss or purr. Okay, it is very interesting. Which is the largest animal in the world? Answer is blue whale. Which animal has quills on its body? It is porcupine. Which animal eats eucalyptus leaves and is found in Australia? Koala. Which animal is found in Gir National Park? Lion. Which of these birds cannot fly? Ostrich. Okay. Last page for the first term, page number 28. Sound of wolf howls. Sound of monkey chatters. Sound of owl hoots. Sound of whale sing. Sound of hen cackle. Sound of cricket chirps. Sound of bear growls. And the baby animals: deer, fawn, F-A-W-N, fawn; goose, gosling, G-O-S-L-I-N-G, gosling; kangaroo, joey, J-O-E-Y; bear, cub, C-U-B, cub; zebra, foal, F-O-L, foal; camel, calf, C-A-L-F, calf. So this much for today, and you have to collect carefully the information from Olympic Games. Okay, and I want to get the information from you. Thank you for today.